कसम से यार, इस ट्रिप के बाद वापस आके ना मैंने अपनी डाइटिंग शुरू कर देनी है पक्का। आज करण प्रियंका की दिवाली पार्टी पे ना आई एम ओनली गोना स्टिक टू सैलेड्स यार। भैया फ्राइड फिश। शिवानी की पार्टी पे नो यार, आई एम नॉट ड्रिंकिंग टुनाइट। चीयर्स। मैंने रुचिका को स्पेशली बोला है, बहन मीठा तो मेरे पास लाइयो ही मत, मतलब दिखाइयो भी मत, कहाँ रखा है तूने गुलाब जामुन खाए? सिर्फ 3 पार्टीज अटेंड करके ना मेरा तो फेस। In this video, I'm going to show you how you can still attend all the parties that you want. You can holiday, you can travel, and still look your slimmer best. Salt, meetha, water retention, puffiness, bloating. Hi guys, my name is Rashi. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is about how to lose a few kilos from your face even after eating outside food, even after doing the Diwali parties every single day, even after coming back from traveling. So how do you do it? This video I'm going to show you one easy step to achieve that chisel look no matter how many blunders that you do. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, find me on Instagram Rashi Sopti Makeup, and now let's start with this look. So my eye makeup is already done. मैंने ये पहले इसलिए कर लिया ताकि आपका ध्यान contouring पे रहे. What we're trying to achieve from the base is what this video is about. So बहुत basic सा makeup है, कोई तामझाम नहीं है. I have not made it very glamorous or anything. I don't want your focus going here guys. बस गालों पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, that's it. And I'm going to start with my base. The first thing I'm taking is my primer. Very important. Any primer that you have. I'm going to move to my concealer, and that is obviously going to be the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm applying a darker concealer पहले, under my eyes and around my lip area जहाँ पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा pigmentation होती है. And also you can apply at the same places, or wherever you have tan lines or pigmented areas, apply it everywhere. Moving on to foundation, I am taking my Maybelline Matte and Polish Fit Me foundation. Just 2 pumps is enough. So if you think that to look slimmer, I should apply less layer of foundation या कम foundation, that I don't think so that works. बेसिकली आपको कॉन्ट्योरिंग पे बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए. फाउंडेशन तो आप जितनी लगाते हैं आपको लगानी ही चाहिए, जस्ट टू मेक योर बेस लुक फ्लॉलेस, वो शाइन आए चेहरे पे. बट कम फाउंडेशन लगाने से आप कभी पतले नहीं लगेंगे. यू कैन पुट योर यूजुअल अमाउंट ऑफ फाउंडेशन जितना आप हमेशा लगाते हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू ब्लेंड इट रियली वेल. दैट्स जस्ट व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. So I'm just highlighting my under eyes with a liquid concealer guys, with a light shade. I'm not going to do it like the usual way, like अपने forehead पे, bridge of the nose. I want to concentrate on contouring. So I'm not going to brighten up my face way too much. जितना foundation लगा है वो काफ़ी है. So yeah, बहुत हल्का concealer under my eyes because it is required. My eyes are a little tired after traveling. So yeah, I'm just gonna dab this and that's it. That's all that is required. Now the main task, the challenge, the contouring. Time to lose that weight, and how do we achieve it? So on normal days, you use a powder bronzer, and you will see me also using powder bronzers in a lot of my video because उससे बहुत अच्छी contouring हो सकती है, बहुत natural contouring हो सकती है. But our purpose today is obviously to go 2 steps ahead. Back-to-back parties, traveling, anything, you don't want to look that puffy or bloated. So cream contouring or liquid contouring is gonna help you there. I use the Y505 shade by Makeup Forever HD, and you can use the same or any dark concealer that you have, which is probably 3 to 4 shades darker. You need to achieve deep contouring here. Look natural because you're going to blend it well, but it has to be deeper than usual. So a shade like this would be a good choice. So I've started with this stick on my line below my cheekbone, where my cheekbone ends, and I have actually taken quite a thick layer. If you see, मैंने उसको पतला नहीं रखा है. I've made like a broad line, and the same I'm going to do in my jawline. बिल्कुल इसके अंदर भी नहीं करना है एंड फेस के ऊपर भी नहीं आना चाहिए. जस्ट रिमेंबर इट हैज़ टू बी प्लेस्ड ऑन द सेंटर ऑफ योर जॉ लाइन लाइक दिस. इफ यू हैव अ ब्रॉडर फोरहेड तो कृपया करके इसे यहाँ लगाएं, क्योंकि जब लाइट पड़ती है सो यू नो दिस एरिया कैन रियली मेक योर फेस लुक ब्रॉडर. व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज बेसिकली मेक द होल फेस लुक smaller than the usual. So for me, even having a sharper nose can give you an illusion of a chiseled nose can give you an illusion of looking slimmer. So I am gonna use the same stick for my nose as well. जितना आप ये lines closer बनाएंगे उतना आपकी nose sharp लगेगी. जितना आप इसको दूर बनाएंगे, दूर blend करेंगे, उतना आपकी nose broad लगेगी. So it's time to blend this, and you have to blend it really, really, really well. लगे रहिए भाइयों और बहनों. So my blending is done, guys, and I think you can see that my face is looking a little smaller than what it was when we started. Base को set करेंगे, which is very important. So on the areas where I have not contoured, basically जहाँ पे भी मेरा foundation दिख रहा है, we're going to set it with your compact or your translucent, any powder that you use, and I am going to set my contoured area with a bronzer. So now I'm going to set the contoured area and I'm going to use my bronzer. बहुत ज़्यादा dark नहीं करूँगी because if you can see it is already pretty well contoured. So ज़्यादा dark is not the best thing to do. I'm now going to move on to my highlighter. Use any highlighter that you have. I'm using my MAC Soft and Gentle. Time now to pop some color, so I'm using my coral shade from Bobbi Brown. Small tip here, you know, your blush can really make a difference again when it comes to looking chiseled. If you cover your entire cheek with the blush, you're obviously gonna look a little bigger, like your cheeks are gonna look like a little bigger. And if you apply this blush just the way, like, you know, you've done your contouring in the lower half of your cheek, it is going to save you a few grams. Now for lipstick, I'm applying a very basic shade, guys. This is I Rule by L'Oreal Paris. So that's my final look, guys. I hope I'm looking a little smaller. What do you think? You know, from the time we started this video to now, I clearly can see a difference. But जब तक आप ये try नहीं करेंगे, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि how this trick really helps. Also, it's not like a major trick. All you need to have is like a cream contour that can be a concealer or, you know, a dark foundation and a deeper, basically a much deeper color than your own skin color. Give time to your blending, because without that your contouring is going to look very patchy. And so yeah, I think I quite like this look. It's very fresh, and you can actually just do any eye makeup, you know, for parties that you do good amount of highlighter. I kept it a little subtle, but yeah, do any makeup, do any lipstick, and all you need to do is this kind of contouring to go with it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you have your ways of doing contouring or to look chiseled, please do share it with me. Leave your comments below, and subscribe to my channel. Find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon.